No, we don't. So, like my wife, she doesn't post stuff for the children.
Oh,
There's a few. I've got a few bits in here with the kids, like where they're doing something in here, but you know, we're not ones for plastering ourselves all over Facebook either. Don't worry. Okay, so you're ready to put your yellow in.
Are they all right?
They're fine because you're going to put your yellow in, so
Okay.
that's going to size them up a bit. Yeah, there you go. That yellow's quite powerful, so it's going to make them quite big. Good. Okay, so if you add a little bit more yellow to this one and use this tool, because that one might put too much on.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
Thanks. A bit more?
Yeah, might need a bit more. Just get it up so it's roughly the size of the others. That's about right, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, what about the one below now? It might be a little bit. Good. Okay, so now that we've got them all similar sizes,
Right.
so with this tool, so make sure that's really nice and clean,
Yep.
and you can just follow me. So you're actually going to do it, but I'm just going to guide you. So you're
Okay.
going to start here. So you're going to penetrate the surface by about a centimetre, right here,
Right.
and then follow me. So you're going to come through a little bit shallower, you're a little bit deeper.
Oh, okay.
You're running away, and then you're going to come around the corner and through this one, and you're going to do exactly the same. So that's it. Not too fast,
Okay.
because they'll run away from you otherwise. That's it, and then you're going to come around here, and you're going to come up and divide this one. That's it, and then through this one. That's it, nice and steady, and then you won't lose control of them. And then you're going to do the same across to here, and then through that one. That's it, through this one.
In this way?
Yep, so through there, and then round here and up through that, through those two, to finish. Excellent, there you go. That's it, it's ready to take off.
So is there a time that you're supposed to leave?
No, no, it's instant.
Okay.
Ta-da! Brilliant.
Because I've got a £20 notice for doing this, I just pay my card.
Oh, I've got change, it's fine.
Okay, I'll do card, cash then.
Wow, that looks nice, just like that, doesn't it? So, well, look, it's up to you if you want to go back diagonally through that way, because what it'll do is it'll pull the other colours through each other, or you can leave it like that. It's up to you.
Oh, I don't know now.
It's hard, isn't it? Sometimes you make something go, oh, if they do too much, you might spoil what you've got, but yeah. I mean, you've got time to do another one, so you could do that, and then you could do it the other way, and then you've got both.
Okay, is that
yeah,
right?
yeah, go for it.
Okay, cool.
So you could leave that one like that, and then do it again on the other one.